AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length assembly with a heavy-duty unwind, air shaft, and a dancer accumulator to unwind and precisely cut individual pieces of synthetic filter material from a roll form at various lengths. Rolls of material are loaded onto the heavy-duty unwind. The unwind station has a variable speed motor and control panel. The pneumatic air shaft ensures the material is supported and held in place. From the unwind, the material travels through a dancer accumulator. Material travels over a set of idler rollers and under a dancer arm. The dancer arm controls the speed and tension of the material web. The material is then pulled into the cut-to-length station by a set of precision-ground urethane rollers. Pressure between the rollers can manually be adjusted by the operator. A heat-treated D2 tool steel blade cuts the material into precise pieces. Cut pieces then fall down a short safety and closed exit chute. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. All components are mounted on a common aluminum frame. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.